Bomb Israel because of in Arabian countries. They are like a tongue between the teeth.
अरे बाप रे ये तो धोती खोल
Every countries want to destroy them, but they are fearing because they have atomic bomb and they are atomic power.
Only 9 countries have nuclear bombs: United States, United Kingdom, France, Israel, North Korea, India, China and Pakistan, and one more.
Can you take the example of France, Japan, and Britain? You can take the example. Why they are not powerful?
You
How
don't
can you
think
say they are not
you don't
powerful?
think
You can attack them.
you don't think that a country who is free from hunger, who is free from humility, who is free from corruption, that country is not powerful? You can say that he is also powerful.
So just tell me one thing you are it made for Diwali.
So good morning. Good morning. So today we are assembled here for a fiery debate, okay? And this is a very dangerous debate, okay? Dangerous debate? What do you mean by dangerous? Actually, topic is very dangerous, okay? And the topic is, should a country use atom bomb in any condition? Should a country not use atom bomb in any condition? We have 4 students, 2 students will favor and 2 students will do against, okay? And for this beautiful debate, and one thing I just want to clarify, that is, we are doing this debate just to enhance the way of our speaking English, okay? We want to improve our English, okay? So, viewers, you have done great job to click this video, and if you want to understand, you must watch this video completely. Alright, Mr. Charanjit, please start. Yeah.
Good morning, friends. I am Chandrajit. I belong to Begusrai. Today, we all are present here on a debating topic: should atom bomb be used or not? First of all, I am starting my topic that atom bomb should be used because in the era of war today we can see that recently many countries are very aggressive. So we have to peacefully deterrence the war. So why should not be atom bomb be used?
Okay. Alright. So first point is given by Mr. Charanjit. Now, who wants to counter it? Yeah, tell me.
And I'm Saad. So today I'm going to do a debate. Today I'm going to do a debate that is the atom bomb is very dangerous for the world, or any nuclear weapon, and it's the biggest threat to the human life because it can totally destroy our life and our world. Because if you see the benefits, then you will find only some benefits. But if you see the bad impact of this weapon, then you will find many bad impact, which is although visible by your eyes, you can see the bad impact.
Against, I want to say, Saad, that if we can see bad impact or benefit of that, there is more benefit as we can take example of World War II. After World War II, there is no any bad impact we can see. The atom bomb not used. And we can also take example of Indo-China war. Why China is fearing to attack on India.
Right. Very beautiful point. So it's a clap for this man, okay? Actually, he is telling atom bomb is not the reason of war, not the reason of any death and killings, okay? Right now, India is a strong country and a powerful country in the world, okay? And our neighboring country is, afraid of India because of atom bomb, okay? It means what? Atom bomb is just stopping the fight. He is telling that. Thank you very much for that beautiful point. Yes, Mr. Alok, what do you want to say? Tell me.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to debate on this very crucial topic. I am Alok Kumar. I come from Kamruddinpur, Begusrai, which is in Bihar. So today I am a position of his. My topic is about nuclear bombs should not be used. About World War II. So I want to start from here.
Okay. Yeah.
6 August 1945, when America attacks to Japan in Hiroshima. Then almost 1,40,000 people were died.
Right.
Again, 9 August 1945, America again attacks to Japan, but not in Hiroshima. He attacks on Nagasaki. Then again, almost 80,000 people were died from this nuclear bomb, from this harmful nuclear bomb. So this is the very, very harmful, devastating, and bad thing for any of them.
I want
country.
to add a point
Yes.
that if you have said that Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb have attacked, so why America attacked the atomic bomb? What is the need of that atomic bomb? Can you give me the answer?
Right. Can you give the answer? Okay. Yes. Beautiful.
Actually, there was no need. If I talk about there was no need to attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, they can, in Hiroshima there were no any soldier of Japan. There were only common people.
Right.
They were died. If they want to attack on Hiroshima or Nagasaki, they can choose some islands where there are some bombs and there are some soldier of Japan. They can take revenge.
No,
But
no.
what
I
They
doesn't.
killed
I
citizens
doesn't
of
mean they
Japan. You
attacked
mean to say
where
that?
and
Yeah.
where.
Yeah.
I want to answer from you that why there is need of attacking the atomic bomb.
Actually-
Why America become so aggressive?
So you want
There
Because-
is- there mo-
because-
there may be
because-
some reason.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a
some
reason that
What do you want?
Japan they want to make the Japan cylinder that you need to,
Japan had already
And why-
surrendered
Yeah.
actually before atom bomb. Actually, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Then why they want to Japan surrender?
I think that they want to be the king of that World War
No,
II.
no, that
they want
doesn't
to
king.
be the first.
You have to think that
they want to
when
actually they want to test the nuclear
the-
weapon. That's
first
why they
Japan
choose.
Japan become very more aggressive, and Japan have attacked first on Pearl Harbor on the Hawaiian island of America.
But
and
how
that,
many-
that only about 183 aircrafts they have attacked, and they have devastating effect on America.
Right.
And America is not in the World War. After that, America came in the World War.
Okay, but,
So-
but one thing I want to ask you, okay, that is, you said as Japan, surrendered before, right? So why did America did it? Why did America do it?
Because America want to surrender
the power.
fully
Show
and
the
show the power.
Why?
Yeah.
Why
Because
power?
America want to fully surrender.
It
Japan
means
had
what?
not fully.
It means what? America was showing power, okay, that's why they used
No,
the atom bomb.
there is no. America want to surrender fully to Japan.
Japan surrendered
Yeah.
actually.
Japan-
Japan
Japan
already had surrendered.
Japan surrendered, but
Yeah.
there is devastating effect on the America.
Right.
And Japan
That's
have
why
all.
they killed, okay, 1,40,000 people, 40,000 people.
If you take the number of 1,40,000 people, there is more than that people you have devastated.
Okay, that's great. Huge round of applause for him because he is very, very, with great points and, aesthetics, okay? Now, from this side, okay? Yeah.
As sir said, as sir said now that why Japan has surrendered already before attacking nuclear bomb.
Right.
They just attack for, because you have asked why. That's what I'm answering you. They just attacked to Japan for show their power,
Right.
to satisfy his ego. He just
Yeah,
attacked
that's
for
great.
ego satisfaction.
Beautiful.
They
For
Because
ego
that's
satisfaction,
satisfied
okay?
for anything.
America said it's for
Just
ego
show their
satisfaction, okay? Yes. That's great.
Hello everyone, I'm Alia. So I'm in the side of atom bomb should be used in a country because nowadays if a country has atom bomb in the time everyone understand that, or nuclear weapons, everyone understand that it is a powerful country, and we can take an example that if we want to end a war or end any war, then we use atom bomb, and it is very, now everyone has this, and like in every country this is. So we should understand if we want to end a war, or if we want to do fight in the time between a country, then atom bomb is needed and nuclear weapons are needed in that.
Okay, you have said now कि if we want to end up war, we should use nuclear beam. This is your statement.
Yeah.
So, in ancient time, in history, the Samrajyas were running.
Yeah.
They were not using these types of nuclear bombs, types of things. They
Because in that time it was
they
not
were just
invented.
using guns type of things. They were just using
But now everything
Bhala,
is developing.
nuclear, Bhala, Katta, these types of things they were just using, and they were also fighting that time. How can you say that we need to end up war with nuclear
okay. I
bomb?
have a
It is
great
not
point to
right.
oppose you.
Tell me about World War One.
First, I have a great point to oppose you.
Yes.
That in this world there is no the Bhala Katha type of we can fight.
Right.
So there is many missiles and many fighter jets. And in modern
Now
era
world
we
is
can take the
improving.
example of even Ukraine
No,
and
no,
Russia war.
I'm just
I want
giving
to
you.
tell
She
that
said
Ukraine and Russia war they are fighting more than about 2.5 years.
Right.
Why they are fighting?
Why?
Why the war is not ended?
I am just saying. She said if we want to end up war, we need nuclear bomb.
No,
so
no.
that's
Please
why I'm
take the
giving you example of that
one
time.
side
People
in
were
the Middle East. In the
people
Middle
were
East, Russia, Ukraine
also
are fighting
fighting
more
before,
than 2.5
and they
years.
do not need of
More
these
than
types of
2.5
things.
years and many
and
lives
that
have
time,
gone.
and that time,
Many lives
people were
have gone.
also
But
winning,
one thing-
also
one thing
losing.
I
You
want to
can't say
interrupt
that.
here. I want to interrupt here. Right now, okay, there's a fight going on between Israel, okay, Iran, Palestine, okay, and many other countries. They're fighting, okay. So can you please tell me, people are not dying there because they're not using atom bomb. Still, people are dying.
Yes, sir.
It is 50,000 people. Okay?
Many more people are dying, and even children and women are dying.
Right.
Even Russia had
atom bomb.
attacked on the hospitals also.
Right.
How can
Right.
you say that there are no humanitarian? How can
That's-
you say
that's the thing,
there is
okay.
no humanity loss?
Yeah.
How can you say? And one side Israel, there is Lebanon, Iran,
okay,
also, all and Palestine, Gaza war also. You can take the example.
50,000 people have, died.
Yes,
in
many
this
more people
fight,
have
okay?
even died.
And mostly children are died, okay.
And
they-
the war is also continuing in
right.
Israel.
Yes,
It's- It's already been, 1 year.
How can you
Yes.
say that
Yes.
the war has stopped?
Yes, I'm saying you.
There is no atom bomb, but still people are dying.
Yes.
Yes.
If you have enmity with me and I have enmity with you,
Right.
I will kill you.
Right.
I will not kill upcoming next
Generation.
upcoming 20,
Beautiful.
10 to 20 innocent generation. That is
Yes.
my point. That is what I want to
Okay.
say
First
about
of all,
that.
you have to think that when there is talk about own people, there were no.
I'm
one
not
thing
talking about
other-
your own
First
own
of
personal.
nation first.
Yes,
You have
nation
to
first.
think nation
Just
first.
assume you are Russia. I am India. I am
Okay.
attacking to you. You are a Russia. Don't take it individually.
Right.
You
Okay,
are
it's just a
Russia.
talk, it's
I
just a
am
talk.
India.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
If you have enmity with me and you have enmity with me, you should kill me. Definitely you should kill me, and I definitely should kill you. But you don't should kill upcoming
should not,
next
yeah.
to next 10 to
Generation.
20 upcoming innocent generation. Innocent
Right.
word is important here.
Innocent words are important here. War has also some rules, okay, some laws. But sometimes, okay, when we are in war, we forget the rules, right? हम भूल जाते हैं वो कानून.
I
Right,
want
yeah.
to say that the atomic bomb is last resort.
Right.
So why we can't be used? We have to use it because there is only way of deterrence the
If
war.
you want to complete the world, okay, finish the world, right? Okay, why are you
Actually-
very much in has to use atom bomb?
Actually, there are many more missiles and weapons which can easily replace atom bombs.
Right.
Like Iron Dome, David Sling neutron bomb, and dirty bomb. These type of bomb has less
impact,
impact
yeah.
on like atom bomb and all. But it can means it can, you can say it is a we can use these type of bombs in a war. We should not use a bomb which can destroy the site of country, which can destroy our ozone layer. Because in that case, Hiroshima and Nagasaki case, ozone layer was destroyed, and in that case the UV rays of sun were directly impacted on the skin of the people. In that case, all the citizens died because of they burnt.
Okay, you have said that ozone layer are destroyed, but from many days atomic bombs have not been used. You are in my favor. Atomic bomb
he's
has not been
talking
used.
that
But
after attacking nuclear
yeah,
bomb,
but
yes.
in recently atomic bomb have not been used.
Right,
But
right.
do you know that ozone layer is not destroyed now?
If you count the
There
number,
is more and more reason the ozone layer is destroying today also.
yeah,
That
there is other reason.
Yeah, what may be reason?
There is a reason
How
of
can you say that atomic bomb is only reason of
yeah, atomic
destroying the
bomb can
ozone
be.
layer?
If you use atomic
Huh?
bomb, then you will directly see the impact
First
on
of all,
yourself.
you will have
Are
to
you
say
seeing
that
the
how
impact?
can you say that
Like-
atomic bomb is only destroying the ozone layer? and there is only no
It is not like that. Only atom bomb is not destroying the ozone layer, but atom bomb was the reason. Okay, when America attacked Nagasaki and Hiroshima, that it was only the reason. Okay, which had impacted ozone layer very badly, right? So it was one of the devastating reason for destroying the ozone layer, right? He wants to say that. I
But
think,
due to the pollution and global warming, the ozone had destroyed more by our less effective environmental knowledge.
These all the things are good, okay?
Okay.
But after dropping a nuclear bomb, what effects are how the effects are our environment? When we dropped the nuclear bomb, okay, then at that time the temperature of that environment of that place are almost
4,000 degrees.
3 to 4,000 degrees Celsius. If in this case, we are living in a very beautiful environment. If it gives up to the 50 to 55
everybody will be fried.
degree, we are
Fried chicken, fried woman, fried
yes,
man.
we are
Fried sir.
started behaving like uncomfortable, and that time people were facing 3,000 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that
Can't live in 3,000 degrees Celsius.
I think that if we want to a quick resolution to conflict, then in that time we should have atom bomb. And in this time, like I have enmity with some India has enmity with some country. Then what they will do? They will attack. Or if they will attack, then we will also attack. And we don't have nuclear weapons
Can't
and
we
atom bomb.
defense that? We
No.
can also defense.
We can
Defend.
defense, but it is the
Why
if-
we should take revenge? Anytime we should take revenge.
no. If
Why
they
should
will
we not take revenge? Okay.
Then they will
Why should
understand
we
it is-
stop
it is
okay?
very,
Why should we not attack?
Actually,
somebody
if
is-
you
it's not
if
a
you
con-
take
it's not
revenge,
time,
you
okay,
will
if somebody
you will
slaps
stuck in
one
a
cheek,
you will stuck in a
it's
loop.
not fun.
If you
Fine,
take
okay, now
revenge,
This
time
world,
has come,
first
okay,
of all,
you
think
have to
this world is not to show
You
your
have to
emotion.
retaliate, right? You
This
have to
world is not to
retaliate.
show your
if you
emotion.
take
The
revenge,
world
then he
will,
will take revenge. Then
Yeah.
you will take
I
revenge.
think
the world will not
You
show.
will stuck in a
The
loop.
world will not see your emotion. You have to fight strategically.
I told you need to
I
fight,
think that-
but you don't need to use bomb, atom bombs, because if you take revenge, then he will take revenge, and exactly you will.
An eye for an eye will make whole world blind. You mean to say
Yeah,
that? Because
this
we belong
can
to
be-
Mahatma Gandhi's country, right?
So
No, sir.
so it can be like if you take revenge from anyone, then he will also take revenge. So in that case, you need to you will stuck in a loop. He will take revenge, you will take revenge. There will be more revenge, and every country
think
will
that, if you will not,
indent in your fight.
if you will not attack that country, then it will not be good. Like if you will not attack that country, then they will think that it is a weak country. If you are innocent, all people will make you die.
No, they
You have
won't.
to
All
think,
people
you
will
have
kill
to first
you.
think that every country that is atomic powered is powerful.
Right.
And as Israel have atomic bomb, Israel because of in Arabian countries, they are like a tongue between the teeth. Every countries want to destroy them, but they are fearing
right.
because they have atomic bomb and they are atomic powered.
Right.
You have said every country have nuclear bomb. I want to say you there are almost 195 countries in the world, and only 9 countries have
I
nuclear
have not
bombs.
said that every
Include-
country have nuclear bomb. I have not said that. I have not said that every country have
He
atomic
says
bomb.
about Israel. Israel is like the tongue between your teeth. Okay.
Yes.
Israeli
All
tongue
the-
between the teeth in Arabian
Right.
countries.
Yeah, in Arabic Gulf countries. Okay.
No, he said earlier, sir. Before
Maybe.
that,
no,
before that.
This is in records. Okay. Yeah. Just speak. Yeah.
So only 9 countries have nuclear bombs: United States, United Kingdom, France, Israel, North Korea, India, China, and Pakistan, and one more. So there is no. Every country have
Every
nuclear
country
bombs.
is trying to have atom bomb. Why? Iran is doing this thing. Okay.
Every
A lot
country
of
is trying
countries,
because they
doing
want
it.
to become powerful in the country.
Right.
Because every country respect
No,
the atomic
powerful.
powered country.
Power.
Every country
Symbol of
respect-
powerful
first
is
of
not
all-
only nuclear
first of all,
bomb.
think the
Symbol
every
of
country- yeah.
no.
You can take the
Everyone
example.
understand
You
by
can
this.
take the example of France, Japan, and Britain. You can take the example.
You
Why
don't-
they are not powerful?
You
How
don't
can
think
you say they are not
you don't
powerful?
think
You can attack them.
you don't think that a country who is free from hunger, who is free from humility, who is free from corruption, that country is not powerful. You
That
can
is
say
also
that.
powerful,
You
yeah,
can
that
say
is
that
the
he is
best
also
way of being
powerful.
powerful.
This
Plus,
is the
in
best
beautiful
powerful.
point, yeah.
But in this world, they are not valued much. They are not valued, but as you can say, the United Nations are being formed, and the international laws are only biased by that powerful countries like USA, Japan, France. All our United Nations laws are biased by powerful countries, and no one listen to the less powerful countries.
I have solution for you actually. We can stop this. How we can stop this? I have solution, and I want to tell you. We can make a law at a world level, because nuclear bomb is I can say in the beginning level, because only 9 countries have a nuclear bomb. So we can make law earlier, so at a world level, so we can run every country, we can suggest every country through law that atom bombs should not be used in the world. In the world, atom bombs should not be used in the
You are
world. Not
talking about law.
Yes.
The law has already made. United Nations has
Yes.
formed.
Yes.
After World War II, law has already made international laws also. There is Geneva Convention.
Yes,
and
law
there
is law is
First of
made.
all,
Law is
first-
made, but
first complete my
this
point. First
time.
complete my point.
Yes.
The World War has ended, and the United Nations are formed. International laws are made. There is Geneva Convention, and there is a nuclear weapon proliferation on the use of war, when to use and why to use. So the countries like India uses no first use policy. We are not using first.
They
but
they
when
make
the,
law
also,
when to use
the-
and how to use.
when they
I
talk
am
about
talking
the
about it.
existence of
No,
any
no.
country,
I am
the
answering you. You have said law is made now. When to use and how to use. I am talking about this should not be used in the
all
world.
laws are used.
No,
Do you read-
this
do you
law is
read-
not.
do you read
This
about
law is
Geneva
not made.
Convention? You read about Geneva Convention?
Yes.
What is that? What are the laws that are written in the Geneva Convention? That we have not to use atomic bomb in any case. And even India have applied that there is no first use policy everywhere. So there is law. But in these days, there is no law, no diplomacy, no negotiations are going supportive in the war.
That's why I
No,
am talking
as we
about
can
we
take
can make
example,
law.
Russia- as we
That's
can
why
take-
I'm talking we can make law at a
Yeah,
world level,
law
and we
are
can
being
stop
made.
this,
Law
because
are
this is
being
in
made.
the level of beginning.
You have to think law are being made earlier.
No,
But
it is
as
not being
there is
earlier
no
than what I am
diplomacy work
saying.
here.
It is about law is
Between-
about currently
between
law is
Russia
about
and Ukraine war,
when
Russia
to
and-
use and how to use. I am talking about it should not be used in the
my
world.
point, the Russia and Ukraine war, there is a recently convention going on in Switzerland. What do you think? There is no diplomacy, no negotiation working. Why?
No, no.
There
this
is any reason you have. There is also international law. Who is following in this era of war in the law?
Yeah, law. I am talking law. How we can stop this from law? In currently, law is just made for when to use and how to use.
No.
It is not for
everything-
stopper.
There is
Okay.
every minute details written in the Geneva Convention.
No,
First
no,
of you
it
have
is-
to agree
it is
that-
not made
You
for-
have to agree that every minute details are written in the Geneva Convention. That we have not to use atomic bombs, and where to use and when to use and not use first. That is every minute details are written. And in this war of era, there is no one listening, no other countries. Everyone wants. Everyone
he
talking
will
about
listen.
retaliation.
Speak something.
Everyone talking about
Actually,
retaliation.
you're talking about law, but who is following the law?
Right. Who is following?
No one
the
is
law?
following,
Okay.
and because everybody wants to be the first to test nuclear weapons, they want to show their power and courage by their weapons, by their means. You can say this is not a power,
I
because
want
if
to-
you have a
There is no reason of only
No,
showing
actually,
the power.
one thing, Charanjit, I want to add here one thing. Israel has attacked, okay, the UNO workers. Okay, Israel is the member of UNO, and Israel is not listening to the UNO. It means what? What is the matter of rule? Who follows the rule? You're talking about Geneva Convention, right? Okay, who is following the rule? Because of atom bomb, even these guys want to, destroy UNO as well. They're showing their power. So what should we do in this case? Yeah,
I
you answer it, yeah.
want to say that no one wants to follow the rule. and no one is following rule.
Means we can make another rule.
As Alok said that please make a rule and all thing in international level. No one is following international level laws.
Because
As we
that
can
law
say,
is
Iran,
not-
You can't
Iran
say
is
that.
also trying to, and recently we can say that Iran has also launched the missiles of atomic bomb and successfully launched it also.
Yeah.
Right.
So why do they want to launch this atomic bombs?
Because actually Israel have also atomic bomb, but he has to face 150 ballistic missile of Iran. So you cannot say that if you have an atomic bomb, then you can end a war, or you can means
Still, Israel has not used any atom bomb in this, battle.
yeah,
But
they
it
have.
means what? Atom bomb is
I think-
useless.
I think that if we want to attack a country, if we have some enemy, in that time we have to, if we want to kill physical power of an enemy, nuclear things are needed. Like in this, the world is improving day by day, and if we will use these type of things, then we will any country will not understand that this is a strong country. Like if we will talk about a country, if a country is powerful, like they have nuclear bombs, they have atom bombs, and in that time a country is also famous because of this. Like
Actually,
nowadays
we want to be
nowadays
famous,
no one
but
is-
we
now-
want to destroy our world. We want to destroy the nature of the country.
Every-
if you want to be
say
famous.
something about. Do you know who is the father of nuclear bomb?
In our country?
No, who is the father of nuclear
don't
bomb? Not in country. Who is the father of nuclear bomb in whole world?
I don't.
Robert Oppenheimer. Robert Oppenheimer once said, "I am become death, and I am the reason of world's destroy." This type of statement he said. Who was the originator of this nuclear bomb? He said, I become death and I become destroyer of the world. And you are saying it should be used?
Please
Who made this? He is saying I am
Please
become
consider
destroyer
my
of this
point
world.
that
And you
what
are saying
about-
it should be used, it
What
should be
about
benefit,
when
it is
come to
good.
the
You
existence?
can't say
What
like
about
that.
when come to the existence of any country? The country may be
talking
destroyed.
about the existence
I am
of the
talking
world.
about.
of any country.
I am talking about who is
What
the
about the
who
existence
is.
of a country?
I am talking about who
the
is.
existence of the world. Then you're talking about existence of the country.
I
If
am-
the world doesn't
yes.
exist, the country won't exist. Yeah.
And I am talk. I am also talking about ki.
Yeah. Clap for me.
I am also.
You guys are not clapping. Yeah.
I am also talking. I am also talking about who made this. Who is the originator of nuclear bomb? He is saying that I became death and I am became reason of destroyer of world. So you are saying it should be used. Who
What do
made
you
this?
want
He
to
is accepting this, and you are saying it should be used. How
Mic
can you
to him,
say
yeah.
that?
He's also waiting. Yeah.
I think that you want you.
Mic down.
I think that you want to say that it destroys the country.
Right.
But I think
I
that
am not saying.
But
I am
you
not
are saying now.
originator of nuclear bomb is saying. I am not
But
saying.
I would
Repeating
like
the
to.
statement again and again. It is done actually.
I
right?
would like to say
And why
that-
did he make it? पहले तो मर्डर कर दो उसके बाद बोलोगे मैंने गलती कर दी क्या मजाक चल रहा है क्या why did you make this atom bomb then what's the use of that statement
Yes,
tell me
sir, yes,
no
sir.
what's the use of that statement
because human willingness are limitless, sir. I'm talking.
what is that you want to fulfill your willingness and after that you will cry
I am talking, sir. Human willingness are different. Once we were in the what you can say Bailgari, then we start using car. When
Okay.
we start using train,
But the
metro, flight.
okay, okay.
Human willingness are, but in that during this case, we also will do some mistakes,
Yeah.
and we can say this is the part of mistake. I am not saying a nuclear bomb originator is saying.
Gandhi said a very beautiful line our minds are restless birds okay
Yes, sir.
the more it gets the more it wants okay and जिसने बनाया एटम बम को the father of atom bomb he must have read the philosophy of Gandhi ji right yeah okay and Gandhi was followed all over the world okay and Gandhi was telling an eye for an eye will make whole world blind
As I
okay
have said,
they don't
sir, earlier.
understand this type of things one thing more I want to tell you the father of dynamite all right he also does same thing okay और उसके बाद नोबेल प्राइज अनाउंस कर दिया कि अब तो हमने दुनिया को बर्बाद करने का वजह पैदा कर दिया है ठीक है डायनामाइट हमने बना दिया है दुनिया एक दिन इससे बर्बाद हो जाएगी उसके बाद करते कुछ बढ़िया काम करते हैं एंड ही हैज लॉन्च्ड what Nobel Prize, okay? कि कोई अच्छा काम करे उसको Nobel Prize देंगे, right? But still the world knows the reason. You are the father of dynamite and you will be the reason of the world destruction. What does it mean? First you will make, atom and after that you will cry. Don't repeat this statement, okay? All right, okay. New point, all right. Yeah.
I think that if it destroys a country
Right.
and it saves also a country, like we are fighting in the time, if we want to be saved, then we use atom bomb. So it save a country also. We should understand this.
Okay, so you want to save your country through atom bomb. Very good. Yes, सबको
this is
बंदूक
not-
दे दो एक एक.
Yeah,
This is
And
not-
then
there is
you will
only
protect
there is
yourself.
only
No,
way of
nuclear
First
bomb
of all,
is not-
first of all,
This is
there is only
Nuclear.
there is only swift there is only way of swift resolution. There is
My point
there is
nobody
only
listening,
way
yaar.
to
I'm
swift
your
resolution
teacher, yaar.
of
I'm your teacher. Please listen to
atomic
me.
bomb.
Okay, atom bomb की बात आई टीचर को ही भूल गए. What is that यार? अगर कोई हथियार सुरक्षा देती है तो क्या सबको एक एक हथियार दे देना चाहिए?
No.
So why is
Now
there
this
laws? Okay, why is there democracy? Why is there administration? Why is there government? Everybody will be the owner of himself, right? Okay, everybody will protect himself. Okay,
I'm not talking about-
everybody will nobody will go to court and kachari, right? Everybody will protect himself. If you attack me, I'll attack you. What does it mean?
That is what I am talking
बात हो
about.
जाएगी यार.
Sir, yes.
You want to?
Yes.
Record this man. Okay, he wants to destroy the world.
No, I want to save this world.
man
No, I want to save this. I want to save this world. Both are destroyer of the world. He is the supporter of destroyer of the
Sorry
world.
for that. Public, sorry, okay?
Yes.
They record these guys. They want to
He
attack
both
you.
wants to destroy humility, morality, humanity, everything he wants to
Everything,
destroy.
yeah.
I am the saver of
Green,
this world.
Green plant, see the plant, so beautiful. Touch it and feel it. Do you want to
First of
destroy
all,
it?
Why
I
you
want
want
to
to
say
these
there
types
is-
of beautiful feelings?
there is only swift resolution way of deterrence the war, that you have to apply the atom bomb.
Right.
Why we have made it? The only resolution way of deterrence the war.
Only
the
we have
atomic
to
bomb
keep
use.
it. Only we have to keep it, or we have to use it.
You can
like
take
in a
first
war.
of all, you can take the example. You know the till how many years the Russia, Ukraine, and Israel-Palestine war going on? You know.
Almost
In future,
7 to 8 years.
there is almost 1 year, and Russia-Ukraine war is all about 2.5 years almost.
Okay.
So
Yes,
you think about after how many years they will end the war?
Okay.
You know.
You think
The life is more lost in that way. The life is more
you
lost in
think
that way.
you think you think war should not be stopped?
My thought
You,
is-
sir, he thinks war. You think war should not be stopped?
I am talking
No.
about war should be stopped, so atomic bomb be used.
No.
I am
If-
talking
if
about
you
war
will-
should be stopped, so atomic bomb must be used.
If you will, no.
There is only way of resolution that atomic bomb must be used and war should be
He wants to
stopped.
finish the world. He
The
doesn't
last
want to live in this
resort
world. He
You
wants
are
to destroy the world.
you wants to finish war, but why you want to finish this world? That is my question.
I don't talking about the finish
Yes.
the world. There is only last resort.
No.
Atomic bomb.
okay,
I want.
okay.
That's
I'm
what
not
I
talking
said
about
earlier.
directly-
If you
I am not talking about directly.
if you want to
I
kill,
am not
if you
talking about directly attacking by atomic bomb.
if you
for
have,
retaliation.
I have said earlier, if you have enmity with me and you have to kill me. Obviously, you have to kill me. You don't have to kill upcoming 10 to 20 innocent generation.
Just 1 second. Can you take the close look of these two fighters, okay? And one missile and second atom bomb. Everybody attacking. Or a close look of this man, okay? This man, yeah, please. Now give your point and destroy the world.
Yes, he wants
I want
to
to-
destroy
I
humanity,
want to say
morality,
that-
everything he wants.
I want to say that the only way of resolution is the using of atomic bomb.
This is what you
Why
are
they
saying
are
wrong.
why they are not using? Why they are not using? Israel also not used, but they want to use. You can take the example of Russia also. All European countries and
be
Middle
normal,
East
be normal,
countries.
Be normal. Okay, relax. We don't have water. Otherwise, I would have given you water, right? Okay. Debate. You will have 2 glasses of water, all right? Okay. Now, public round. Okay. एक कोई question इधर से अगर किसी को कोई सवाल है तो they can,
Please
they can,
support.
take the. I want to take the questions. Okay. Now, Miss Nafisha has a question. Okay. Can you please give your? Okay. You want to give the mic? Pass the mic, please. Yeah. Yes, please.
As you say that we cannot we should not use item bomb. So just tell me one.
Item bomb नहीं
बेटा atom bomb right yeah
So okay, just so as you said we should not use. Okay.
Yeah.
So just tell me one thing why it made for
why
Diwali.
is it meat
For Diwali.
why
I have
it-
said earlier. I have I have said earlier, human willingness are limitless. We do some good things, but we also have done some mistakes. That's why it is made. And I have said earlier, originator of this.
No. You are stopping on only one point.
All right. Okay. Now, can anybody ask from this side if any more questions you have? Just
debate in this originator.
protect the respect of yeah, please. Any question you have? No problem. These guys have no questions. They agreed. Okay. From these guys. Okay. So viewers, it's your turn. Okay. Don't use atom bomb. Just use likes button. Okay. To make this video interesting and to make English easy, okay, in this environment. I'm talking about Bihar, Begusarai, right? Okay. Let everybody understand that English is very, very easy to learn. As these guys are fighting in English, you can also do if you join SMB English. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Okay.